Still using messy putty impressions? You're stuck in the past, and your patients know it. Every analog workflow you do is costing you chair time, precision, and your reputation. The Intraoral Scanner. This is the heart of the digital shift. Forget the gagging, the messy putty, and the tray distortion. And iOS captures everything in seconds with absolute precision. The design software. This is where you become the architect of the smile. You aren't guessing anymore. You're designing the occlusion, margins, and anatomy on a 3D model before a single piece of material is touched. The milling/3D printing. This is the magic. You send your design and the machine builds it. No human error, no manual adjustments, just a perfect clinical fit every time. The one-visit reality. Patients hate coming back. Digital workflows allow you to do in one appointment what used to take 4. That convenience is exactly why a patient will choose you over the competition. The margin of error. Digital dentistry is mathematically precise. You stop dealing with high spots or open margins that require a redo. You get it right on the first try. That's how you save hours and build a reputation for flawless work. You now understand the shift, but seeing it on a screen isn't the same as holding the scanner in your hand. Clinical mastery is hands-on. If you're ready to future-proof your practice with digital precision, join our next hands-on batch at Ahead Dental Academy. Visit us to secure your spot. And don't forget to follow us for more amazing videos that will change your clinical career.